Hello friends, welcome to this channel and you are watching Gardening and Farming's English version. Friends, I had promised you to show the process of sowing the seeds of petunia, aster and geranium which I have bought from Organic Bazaar online. I have posted a video regarding the unboxing of that seed, and if you want to watch this, you have to go to the description box and click on the link I have given below. And as per my promise, I am going to show you the same. So please be with me till last to know the result and the rate of success. So guys, as you are watching, I am cutting the seed packets and getting the seeds out. Well guys, now all the seeds are before you and I have already prepared the potting mix and filled in a plastic tray. Well guys, for potting mix, I have taken 20% of garden soil, 20% of river sand and 60% of vermicompost. For antifungal agent, I have added 2 teaspoonfuls of trichoderma virid powder and mix all well. In this way, I have already prepared the potting mix. Well friends, here I am telling you one important thing. To sow the seeds, just follow the instructions given in the seed packet because it is sown according to the temperature, not according to the month. It was written on the packets to sow in temperature ranging from 21 to 25 degree and it's getting 21 degree here now. I mean this mid of November. And one more thing. If I had sown it by thinking these are the seeds of winter flowers in the month of October, probably it would not have grown because at the month of October the temperature here is a bit high. Okay, well guys, look, I have divided the trays bed into 3 parts by placing pieces of thick paper, cardboard type. Now I am sprinkling the seeds in the different parts of the tray and pouring some water with the help of a sprinkler. Okay friends, all our sowing process is over now and I will show you the result of this after 1 month. The seeds may take 17 to 21 days to germinate what is written over the seed packets. So let us wait for that. Guys, today is the 80th day of sowing seeds and here is the result before you. This is so disappointing because only 3 petunia and 1 geranium has grown. Aster did not grow at all. Friends, I deliberately waited so long that maybe some more seeds would germinate, but that's all. Okay guys, whatever it is, I have gained some experience from this. Maybe this will work next time. It is said that no work goes in vain. Even if you don't get the result, we'll definitely get some experience. And I am happy. So friends, this was today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe, like and share to this channel and press the bell button so that you will get the notification of my new videos. And if you are watching this in Autoplay or Facebook, then please follow and like this at there also. So guys, see you in another video and